So hello, my name is Dan Orembe. I'm from the NovFeed team. So our challenge theme is reusing byproduct from oil or juice production. So the problem starts on the fact that, the most difficult question to answer in this world is how sustainable is it to use human food to feed animals? And more importantly, is how are we going to feed 9.6 billion people by 2050 while we are currently, now, diverting the 30% of soy and fish produced globally for animal feed formulation as a protein ingredient. And on the other hand, 20 to 40% of food is wasted during food production process. NovFeed, we have a solution. What we do, we have developed the appropriate technology to produce a bacteria-based protein by utilizing the side stream waste such as oil and juice byproduct. We use a pure culture, well-characterized and safe for human consumption bacteria. We grow this bacteria on a fruit and oil byproduct as our media, and then using our technology, we process this into a protein powder, which is a bacteria-based. So this is the perfect replacement of soybean meal and fish meal, and it is also environmentally friendly. So we have a very huge market. Globally, it's worth 42.6 billion US dollars. So with NovFeed project, we intend to capture the 10% of this market share in just 5 years. So our unique value proposition comes from affordability. Our product will be affordable compared to other protein sources. It's high in protein compared to fish meal and soy meal. Our technology reduces carbon dioxide emission. It improves growth rate in animals, but also it's improved the sustainability. So our business model is B2B, meaning we'll be selling protein product to animal feed manufacturers for $1 per kilogram. So the good news is that EU regulations support the use of these novel ingredients such as bacteria-based protein, but also the yeast. So what we'll need is a European feed ingredient safety certification to be able to operate in EU, but other regulations are such as the 2019, 209, 208, and 215. So to help us make this possible, we are requiring a funding of 100,000 euros to develop a prototype and test the concept, but also to partner with feed specialists and animal feed specialists and protein specialists and researchers. Meet our dream team. There is me, microbiologist. We have a qualified environmental economist who is Mr. Otaigo, but also we have an advisor who is a biotechnologist, Professor Shandi. Thank you so much. We are open for questions.
Okay, so pandemic or not, people will always need to eat food, and greenhouse farmers are having troubles growing it. So today, the most popular growing method is hydroponics. It's when the roots of the plant are floating in water. It's a perfect medium for root disease to spread, and each year around 20% of crops are lost to it. These systems are also resource inefficient and they are bloody expensive. So, in the early 90s, scientists came up with a solution: fogponics. It's when the roots of the plant are hanging in fog. This way, the root disease cannot spread. It's extremely efficient, and it doesn't really work on a large scale. The problem was controlling the fog, which is why Baltic Freya has invented an efficient fog evaluation, monitoring, and control system, which enables fogponics on a large scale, which is patentable. So the deal is very simple. We sell stackable farming modules to greenhouse farmers for 500 euros per square meter. After every harvest, you will need to change the growing cloth, which goes on top of each module, and we are the ones selling it. Market is huge. Right now, we have our eyes on European commercial greenhouse market, which is expected to grow the most in the world, and right now is around 6 billion euros. The competition is quite interesting. The market is dominated by hydroponics. The alternative is aeroponics, which is very similar to what we do, but it uses hundreds of high pressure nozzles, which are expensive and tend to clog often. Our prototype is nozzle free. So, how do we know all of this? Well, we have been speaking to people, 118 key industry actors from 28 countries to be exact. And this way, we know that we are creating that greenhouse and urban farmers need. We are creating something that they actually want. Two of them offered us their greenhouses for test trials, and five of them keep contacting us asking if we have invented our fog magic yet. So, the team, the brilliant team behind this. There is me, Robert. I'm a biochemist by education, but a salesman and a speaker by trade. Gediminas is a part of a family business, and he started his PhD in agronomy just for this project. Vilmantas is the guy you call when your computer is not working. He's a brilliant computer engineer. We are supported and advised by brilliant people from Denmark, Lithuania, and Latvia.
Hi, I'm Dr. Reena Sharma, co-founder of Shandi Global. Shandi is a plant-based meat alternate company with a mission to help everyone in reducing meat consumption without compromising taste and nutrition. Despite of thousands of plant-based meat alternate available in market, meat sale is still rising. That means plant-based meat alternates sold in market are not yet consumed by most of the people. There are three problems holding back most consumers to buy plant-based meat alternate. 90% consumers cannot afford these products, and those who can pay extra do not want to compromise with taste they love. Those who dare to pay 4 times price than meat and sacrifice their food want something really healthy. But after looking at the ingredient list containing added flavors and artificial additives, they consider these products just another processed food. In the world with huge economic inequalities and enormous diversity of food, adjusting products are bound to fail in replacing meat and save the planet. Planet Earth cannot wait till world economy to rise at level when everyone can afford $15 burger 3 times a day. We need to act now and stop meat. We solve these problems by developing taste naturally from blend of selected plant sources. Hence our product is affordable, price is less than chicken meat. It's 100% natural, free from artificial additives, GMO and chemical processing. It can be cooked like meat. Taste is inbuilt in the product, which makes it suitable for cooking just like meat. We source plant protein locally, isolating them naturally and transforming plant proteins to meaty taste. We will sell our product B2B, starting with restaurants and food services via online and retail stores to get customers. We are replacing chicken meat in every form, which is 60 billion USD market, targeting 12% flexitarians, and meat reduces bring 7.2 billion opportunity. Our products serve every segment of consumers, people who cook from scratch or people who consume ready to eat or ready to prepare food. COVID has impacted economies around the world, and our product will help billions of people to eat healthy within the budget. We have completed our product development and market trials, which resulted into several paying customers and plenty of letter of intent from corporations around the world. We are raising 1.5 million USD to commercialize our product across Europe, Middle East and Africa, followed by Asia and North America. We have a team of highly qualified, experienced and passionate food scientists, business professionals and finance experts. Thank you.